Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make streusel topping for coffee cake. Let's start with the essential ingredients. Streusel typically combines all-purpose flour, both brown and granulated sugars, and butter. A good starting point is 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar, and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. You can also add a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon or a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for extra flavor. Next, let's perfect your streusel mix. First, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, drizzle in cooled melted butter or add cold, diced butter. Use a fork or your fingertips to gently combine everything, aiming for a crumbly texture with varying sizes, from fine crumbs to larger, pea-sized clumps. Remember, don't overmix, as this can create a thick paste instead of distinct crumbs. Now let's explore some creative streusel variations. Beyond cinnamon, you can add other spices like cardamom, nutmeg, or even a bit of citrus zest for a bright note. For added texture, try incorporating up to 1/3 cup of chopped nuts like pecans or walnuts, or even some rolled oats. For a richer, deeper flavor, consider using dark brown sugar or browning your butter before adding it to the dry ingredients. Finally, let's talk about applying and storing your delicious streusel. Sprinkle the unbaked streusel evenly over your coffee cake batter just before baking, ensuring good coverage for that perfect crumbly top. If you have extra, unbaked streusel can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, you can freeze it for up to 3 months, ready for your next baking adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.